Hello everyone, this guy's going to show you how to use the Master Spark effect for Miku Miku Dance. Once you have loaded the model, we shall begin. So the first thing you want to do is go to the camera lighting and accessories. Go to this button right here, load your effects. So here's an important step I think people may not be aware of. Make sure your effect and the X model is named the exact same thing or the effect will not work. Once the files and the effect is named the exact same thing, load the X file. As you can see here, the Master Spark effect has loaded. So we're going to attach the lens finger, as so. Now I'll move it to his middle right finger. It'll be this one, I think. Register it. Then I'll angle it to actually fit his finger a bit better. So I think I'll change the y-axis to about 90. Yeah, that was the wrong one. Never mind. I know it's one of these things, but this can be tricky with the effects. There you can see. Now let's attach the finger properly. So we'll register it, change the value to 0, make it disappear for a minute. Now I'll make it go to the shoot pose, which I'll register as 0 here. Change it to 0.2 here. And then keep doing minor adjustments, as you can see here. So I'll change about 5, 8, register it. Go here, make it about 1. So can you have a good boom effect. Then move the camera back to 0, register it, play the animation, and boom! You got your Master Spark effect. If you have any questions, feel free to ask and I'll be happy to assist you. Later!